Yo guys, what's up? It's me, Rapid Mean King. Before we start this video, make sure you guys go like and subscribe. And today, we are going to be doing more of Cannon-Palooza. So, let's just get straight into it because we have a lot of things to fix and do. For example, the size did not work out. I did not show it in the video, but it did not work out. Something I really want to do right now is fix the position because it's not really that good. So I want to fix it. So we don't want start position anymore. So start position is gone. So basically what I want to do is I want to set a so basically go to, actually I'm going to do this. So go to blank. So we're going to say pick random. So we're going to say probably like, let's see, so let's try the AMI. Let's see, so it's like right here. Okay, let's try 100. Let's try 100. 100 to what? Like 100 to 200? And that's going to be our X. And our Y is going to be top to bottom. So let's get it. We're going to say something like 200 to negative 200. Let's try that. And then broadcast the message. And boom, now we have stuff all over the place. Now I do want to change the Y a bit, so let's try making it like 150 and then negative 150 because that's a bit too much. But so now we have all of this. Now we gotta add the bullet AI. So now I am going to create a new sprite, and we're just gonna make it a small little bullet. Yes, just like that. We're gonna set it the size to like 25. So we're gonna call it bullet, and basically it's gonna say when clicked forever hide. But basically what it's gonna do is basically we're gonna do this. So basically we're gonna say else, and then we're gonna do another if. If not mouse down, and actually we're gonna basically put this function in. We're gonna remove that, and then we're gonna put this here. Then basically we're gonna broadcast a message. So we're gonna broadcast a message too. That message is going to say, it is going to, so it's gonna go to AI's start position, which is 173 negative 4. So when I receive message 1, create a clone of myself, or actually message 2, and then when I start as a clone, we have to go to X position of, so we have to find the there you go, X position. Oh, there's no position. Okay then. So we're gonna say, okay, so it was negative 4, and then 173, negative 173. And basically what we're gonna do with that is we are going to make it point towards mouse pointer one time, and then start, oh wait, yeah, we also have to make the forever show work. Forever show. So before we get any further, we are going to create a new variable, and then we're also going to have a cloud variable soon for the high score. So the score right there and we're gonna set the score to 0. Set score to 0 and show variable score. There you go. Also, I don't know why my variable went there, so that's weird. Is there something I'm missing? Okay, yeah, here. Oh, actually, hold on. We need to keep that for the effect. So we're gonna have to call it ghost effect. I think that's correct. So let's hope that works. Let's hope that works. We are going to point towards mouse pointer and then repeat until touching edge, or so repeat until touching the edge or touching a sprite or touching the enemy. So yeah, so repeat until that, and then it's basically going to move 10 steps, and then forever hide, and then basically it says if, so we're gonna do it real quick. If touching edge, boom, then forever hide, and basically change score by 0. So just so we can get that out of the way, even though it isn't that important. It's just real quick so we know. And then now we are going to, let's say, okay, so we gotta know which one we hit. So we're gonna have to figure something out like that. So I'm actually gonna do this, so it's impossible for it to touch that. But I'm gonna say, actually, yeah, okay, so what we're gonna do is, okay, so I have an idea. So we're gonna say if touching enemy, then forever hide. Then forever hide. So when I start as a clone, so basically what it's gonna say is, when I start as a clone, forever if touching bullet, and we're just gonna say a bunch of ifs for the costume number. And costume number equals 1, which is the lowest one. So if the costume number is 1, and change score by, let's say, 50 points. So change, actually we're not gonna make it too far. We're gonna say change score by 5. Yeah, probably 5's good. And then change score by 10, and then 15. So we're gonna add more updates later, but right now let's see what this looks like. Okay, so something happened right there. Okay, so I've kind of forgot about that. So if not mouse down, so we gotta say repeat. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. So where's the part where it point towards it? I think it's this. Repeat until not mouse down. So we're gonna say repeat until not mouse down. So let me take this out. Put that in there. Put that right there. And then right there. So where it says repeat until not mouse down. Do that. Let's see how that works. Perfect. We got that working, and oh, look at that! Uh-oh, yeah, we're gonna have to, okay, so And then, so we're probably gonna say for it to go to, okay, so let's see its position. Let's take that, and where is the, okay, so if touching enemy, then go to that. So it doesn't bother it. Boom. So to cover that up, because it's not working correctly, we are going to make a list make a real quick list saying scores or like values. Let's just say values. And we're gonna put the list right down here. Yeah, like right there. And basically what we're gonna say is we are going to, when clicked, it's basically gonna have to delete all, so no one adds it, so no one adds anymore and kind of messes around with it, and then add thing to values, which is red equals 5, and then it's purple, right? It's purple and then lime. Purple equals 10. Lime equals 15. So basically it deletes it all, so it doesn't have to constantly add it every single time you play. And then we got that. So we're gonna say, we're gonna ask the, or we're gonna say, okay, so we're gonna say touching edge. Okay, so it's not hiding, so we're gonna say for it to go to negative 229, negative 167. Now also, we're gonna have to say, we're gonna have to tell it to the part for it to hide whenever it gets touched by the bullet. Now obviously we're gonna add more features later, but I just want to make this as simple as can be right now. Okay, so that's an issue. I forgot about that. So if it touches an enemy, okay, how about this? So we got to broadcast a message. Broadcast hide bullets. Hide bullets, yes. Okay, so we're gonna say broadcast hide bullet. And then we're gonna say when I receive hide bullet, then forever hide, and for it to go to its needed position, so it doesn't touch any other things. So where's the bullet? So we gotta so it's gonna repeat until touching edge or touching enemy. So what I think it's doing is it's not touching. I don't know what it's gonna do if it's constantly touching the. If it's not gonna touch the enemy. Oh, there you go. Perfect. So we're almost done. Like, this is pretty close. So yeah. And actually, I want to do something real quick. I want to add this. So I'm gonna say moves, and basically you're gonna only have a certain number of moves to get everything. So okay, so moves. Okay, so basically what this is gonna do is we're gonna set it to 0. We're gonna set moves to 0 whenever it starts, and then whenever we ever create a clone of itself. Actually, hold on. We have to set it to, let's say, like 20 moves, and then we gotta change it by -1. By -1. So we're gonna do this. Good. So like trying to center. Boom. Good enough. Like, you ran out of moves. Oh, we're starting to So we're just gonna stretch it out like that. Okay. Then we're gonna say when clicked forever. So it's gonna say go to the front layer, and it is going to it's gonna say forever show, but set the ghost effect to 100. So whenever it whenever we stop the game, it'll do that. So we're gonna say we gotta create another costume. That's gonna say, let's try to upload my thumbnail I made last time, and we'll see how that goes. So actually, we're gonna say upload costume. I'm gonna find my little boom, boom. Okay, good. Okay, so thumbnail. Scratch tutorial. We're just gonna put it as that for now. Well, actually, hold on a minute. We want to put a, probably want to put a white background. And then make it go down. Boom. There, we have our thumbnail. And we also want it to go to the center. So we're gonna say, go to 0, 0. And then when clicked, forever, if moves equals 1, or moves equals 0. So moves equals 0. Then we're gonna say switch costume to costume 1, and then stop all. Stop all. But for it to constantly prevent, so we're gonna have to say for it to start with the thumbnail in the beginning. So that's, okay, there you go. Alright. So we have this. Boom. 19. Boom. Go. Uh-oh. Wait. Okay. Something's happening. Okay. Something's going on with the AI. So whenever it changes moves by -1, like we're just gonna put this just so it does that later, so it doesn't prevent that. And also, to prevent anything else, we are going to say this too. If moves is smaller than 0, so we're gonna say that and that, just so it can prevent that. Okay, it says I ran out of moves, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna say wait a second. We're gonna tell it to wait a second. So there you go. Uh-oh, missed that. And if I do this, oh, that's weird. Okay. Alright, let me look at that. The aim AI is moving. If it's, okay. That, I don't know why I put that there. Okay. So basically, you can't shoot anything if it's less than that. So actually, let's look at the mouse position. So that's good. We got a lot of stuff. One more thing before I go, before we have to stop this tutorial for today, is I want to. Uh-oh. We ran out of clones. Okay, I have an idea. We don't want it to hide, we want to delete the clone. We want to delete this clone. when I receive hide bullet. Wait, where did we put that hide bullet thing? Oh, yeah, for to hide the bullet. Okay. Okay, I think it deletes the clone now, so it should have enough storage to constantly do this over and over again. There you go. So we should be able to do this forever and ever. There you go. So if we just do that, so we're gonna have an ending soon, where it says, "Congrats, you completed the first level." So we're gonna have levels and stuff, and we're gonna make it. Oh, that was a double. Okay, so like that, we got that right now. One thing I want to add something, and the thing I want to add is I want to add a where the clones move. So the clones move. So when I say, so I'm gonna do this. When I start as a clone, so we're gonna say forever, and then glide, and then we're gonna say glide pick random. So where's our position? There you go. So we want that. We want that. We want our numbers correct. Alright, so pick random, let's say 2 to 5 seconds. That's fair. Oh my god. Oh, that's chaotic. Oh my god, that's perfect. That's what we want. Oh, that's gonna make it so much harder. Oh, I also just noticed that our moves are not counting. So, give me a second to change that. So, our moves are not counting. So, we got to change the moves. So, I think it's on the bullet, right? Yeah, okay, so we're gonna say change moves by 1, and we're gonna try this again. Let's hope it doesn't. Okay, good. Oh. I ran out of moves. Okay, so don't spam click it. We're gonna ask it to have like a 0.5 second cooldown. So actually, let's do that real quick. Well, okay, yeah, so cooldown. Okay, so we want cooldown. So obviously we're gonna revamp the cannon soon because I added that for the thumbnail. It looks actually pretty good, so we're gonna change that soon. Cooldown. So we want to change. We want to. Okay, so we want to hide it for now. Okay, actually, we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it. Alright, so show variable cooldown. And then whenever it immediately shoots, wherever it switches the moves, okay, here, we are going to broadcast a quick message. Broadcast start cooldown, and then when I receive start cooldown, it is going to set it to a specific time. So we're gonna set this cooldown to 2 seconds, and then repeat until cooldown equals 0. And then we're gonna set it to shoot. Actually, we're gonna add a reloading system soon, but so we're gonna say fire. So we're gonna say fire, and we're to change it by -0.1, because I think that's the amount of frames there is. So let's see if that changes it. Let's see if that helps. Boom. Okay. So we're gonna do this. Cooldown, or if cooldown is less than 0. Okay, so that should work now. Fire. So now we're gonna actually do the cooldown. So real quick, yeah, so we're gonna do this. And cooldown equals fire. So we're gonna say if cooldown, and we're gonna say cooldown equals fire. So that should be good now. Oh, hold on a minute. We got to set it to fire in the beginning. Wait, I got a better idea. We're gonna copy the actually, yeah, we're just gonna start the cooldown. Never mind. Yeah, we're just gonna put it right. So we're gonna broadcast start cooldown. And we're gonna set it to. So doesn't it set it in the broadcast? Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. There you go. Fire. Perfect. It works. So we so far have created a very successful game, and now we only have a few things to add. And I'm also really excited of where it will go. We'll see if we can get this on the popular page. I really want to, as long as we get this done very soon. So part 3 will probably include things like the ending and better AI. Probably when the parts disappear, we will add a cool little effect. So I want to change that too. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hello everyone, before you go, make sure you click the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Toodaloo!